Hey, good morning. This is Robin from Roamingwithrover. We've got more packages. Let's see what we've got. So this is from Mary Maxim, and it just popped out the top. So we see pink, and I would not have ordered pink, so I don't know what this is. And oh, I know what this is. I know what this is. There's also in here some blue. So a few months ago, in August, the August Crochet Club of the month had some pink and some blue. This real pretty pink and blue. And they didn't send us enough yarn. They were supposed to send us 6 of each one, and they sent 4, something like that. So then when you contacted them, they sent out the extra yarn. So that's what this is the extra yarn for this. And so we got 2 skeins of pink and 2 skeins of blue. It's beautiful, really, really soft baby yarn. 50 grams, 199 meters, so just over 200 yards. I cannot read this. I don't know what language this is in. Turkey? I bet maybe it's Turkish. I don't know. But I'm going to guess it's acrylic and polyamide would be what I'm guessing on this. Really super, super soft though. So I think I already made up the project that came with the blue. So I probably still have the pink left. So I'll have to find something to do with a little bit of pink and blue yarn. But that's quite a bit. That's 800. I mean, I can do a combo, add some white to that or some green. That would be really pretty. So that's what that package is. This package is from, so that was from Mary Maxim. This is from Hirschner's. And here's the packing list. Oh, I know what this is. I know what this is. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this one. Okay, so Premier came out with a new line of yarns just recently called Fruits. And this is Premier Fruits sock yarn. So Ash from Pawply Guys was showing us this yarn, and he was saying that this would work up fine as some socks. So I got 2 of them because I want to make a pair of socks. And here we are. So what do we have here? We've got, this is the watermelon, and you can see the design on there. This got the little watermelon seeds and everything. When you knit it up, you'll get this style. When you crochet these kind of things that have sort of built-in designs, they don't usually work up as well. But that's why I thought this would be perfect for my first try at socks. And this is 235 yards, 1.75 ounces, 50 grams, 93% acrylic, 7% PBT. And Ash said PBT is what helps to make this stronger for socks. Super fine one. Eek, that is tiny. Look at this. Look how tiny that thread is. That is small. But you know, it's a little bit bigger than the number 10 crochet thread that I'm using for another project. So there's my sock yarn, my watermelon socks. Isn't that awesome? Oh, I love it, love it, love it. And as I recall, I got a really good price on that. Nope, that's the wrong one. This one. Yes. So I got these on sale for $3.49 a piece. And then I got my discount. So the whole thing came to $6.28. So $6 for 2 skeins of sock yarn. Excellent price. Excellent, excellent price. Okay, and then we've got the big box from Hirschner's. Well, we're going to call this a middle-sized box from Hirschner's. And I've already popped the top open, so let's see what we've got in here. Oh, I see purple. You know how much I love the purple. And here's the packing list right on top. Okay, it looks like I've got 2 kits. 2 Afghan kits. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so the top one, oh, they come in the plastic, the pretty plastic, get this unzipped. The pretty plastic bags that we love, the plastic bags for keeping things nice and clean and tidy. Look at that beautiful yarn. Beautiful purple yarn. This is Worsted 8, which is kind of Hirschner store brand. Shells and lace throw. There's the pattern. Looks like it's gonna be a pretty easy pattern. This is the whole instructions, one sheet instructions, and the color, the picture. 4-weight yarn, approximate finish size 38 by 61. A little thin, a little narrow. a size H hook, stitch guide, a chain, a single crochet, double crochet, and the shell. So easy pattern. Easy pattern. Let's look at the yarn. I like their worsted weight. I've used it in a couple other things. It's a nice medium quality. It's not amazing, but it's not terrible. It's a 4-weight, 100% acrylic, 8-ounce skein. That's a big skein of yarn. 489 yards, so almost 500 yards. So we got 2,000 yards of yarn here to make this skein, and the thing to make this project. And the thing that I like about the worsted weight kits is if you run low, easy, simple to get an extra skein. Whereas with a lot of the kits, especially some of the crochet of the month kits, like that one I just showed you, this is some kind of either special yarn that they ordered for this kit, or it's something they've discontinued, because often you can't get more if you run low on something like that. That's the only thing I don't like about the kits. But whereas one of these kits, no problem getting more yarn if you want it. So if I wanted to make this a little wider, which I'm inclined to do, because 38 inches isn't that wide for a throw. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I like 48's kind of the minimum. But look, I was just playing with this, and look, they've got the secret pull tab. Yay! We love the secret pull tab on these. Okay, so super happy with this one. That's a pretty blanket design. It's going to be easy to make, and this cost 20 bucks, and that was before my discount. So $20 on that. Not bad. And then there's another one in here. Let's see. Ooh, this is pretty colors. Oh my gosh. And this is in a big bag. More worsted weight. Okay, we know we're going to like the yarn. Look at these colors. Wow. Wow. And it's got the easy start pull. I can see one hanging out. Looking for the pattern. It's way down here on the bottom. This is the Mahogany Blanket. It looks way different in the pattern. Mahogany Blanket. It's in the round, which I think they call that a mandala style. And it's got a couple, it even has a made by label and a needle to weave in your ends. How's that for a kit? Oh, there's Miss Sophie walking around outside. Worsted 8 Mahogany Blanket. Look at how pretty that is. I don't remember it having so much black, but it'll be nice. J-hook. It has 3 colors: burnt, spice, and black. Approximately 55 inches in diameter. That's a nice size. That is a nice size. So here's the black, basic black. Nice. And I'm guessing this is the burnt. 8 ounce. Where's the name? Here we go. Burnt. And again, this is a full 8 ounces of yarn, 100% acrylic, 489 yards. It's funny, this one, this one is just a tiny bit rougher than the purple. It's funny how the different colors feel different. Isn't that nice? That is a beautiful color. Beautiful color. And this is obviously the spice. So it's a mixture. Get the blues and this is in here, and some yellows and some kind of burgundy-ish red, whatever this color is, and a little bit of the black. This is really pretty. I love that mixture. That is going to be absolutely gorgeous together. Absolutely gorgeous. Pretty. Yeah, I like that a lot. I like that a lot. I like fall colors. And I don't think I realized how much I like the fall colors. Instead, every time I see these kits, I'm drawn to these fall colors. I don't care for bright colors. I'm not a big fan of pastels, although I work with those things. But these fall colors is definitely something that I am drawn to. So we've got this beautiful kit with 6 skeins of this yarn in it, and it was $24. Really, really happy with those price points. Very nice. Very, very nice. So, what do you think? Do you like this one? Which one do you like better, the purple one? Oh, purple one or the fall color ones? Boy, I like both of those. This is going to be easier to make, I think. This one, there's several pages of instructions. Although it doesn't look that hard. I think it's just one of those things where every row is a little bit different, so you need to pay attention. Like that a lot. Okay, I think we've got time. I have another box here, and I wasn't sure if we'd have time or not, but I think we're doing okay on our time. So let's take a peek at it and see what we've got in here. This is not a yarn box, for sure. Not a yarn box, but it comes from Hirschner's. So I've popped the top. Let's see what we have in here. Ooh, it's wood. It's wood. Oh, I know what this is. I know what this is. Okay, so Hirschner's had a 40% off. You got to pick any item in the book for 40% off. And then my extra discount. So that means this was 50% off. And one of the things that I do is I collect thimbles. So in my travels, I pick up thimbles from all over the place. And I display them in these boxes, these pretty wooden cases, and they're hard to find. Well, to be honest, the thimbles are getting hard to find now too. Wow, this is really heavy. This is a lot heavier than my other one. But as you can see, oh, they've got all the little holes for the thimbles, and then they've even got some for the taller. I got some thimbles that are taller, they're more decorative. They've got a few of those. So this is going to be gorgeous. And as we traveled in the motorhome, I picked up a bunch more thimbles. So this is my 4th case. I've got 3 cases already full, and I've got this, my 4th one. So once I get my room put together and I get these hung on the wall and all my thimbles put in there, I'll show you guys how that looks. So this was my thimble case. That's what was in the other box. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So that's today's unboxing. Real happy with all of the products. Gonna have to figure out what to do with that. But other than that, I'm very, very excited about that, about the fruit yarn, the watermelon yarn. Yeah, my watermelon socks. That's gonna be cool. There we go. There it is. I hope I can do it. Think I can do it? Knitting socks. We'll see. See you guys later. Bye-bye.